Hey folks, it's Muhammad Rahim, Sales Director at Inaxsys. Welcome to another video of our exciting VMS software, ARKIV. I hope you enjoy the video, and let's get to it. Today we're going to do a video on connecting ARKIV to ARKIVNET. What is ARKIVNET? Well, imagine you've installed your server on site, and you've installed the client either on the same machine or on a separate workstation, and you can get into the software and manipulate it. But every ARKIV server comes with a free service called ARKIVNET. And ARKIVNET basically allows you to connect your server to our peer-to-peer service, which is free, and allows you to access your server from anywhere in the world. This would be via both the website or from the app. So we will do a further video on how to use ARKIVNET and all the features within ARKIVNET, but this video today is just about how to connect your server to ARKIVNET. So the first thing you do is you go to the ARKIVNET.com website and you sign up for an account. So in this case, this could be the installer or it could be the end user signing up for an account here, and that person would be the admin of the account. Once you've signed up for the account, you're going to receive an email that asks you to confirm. Once you go through the confirmation process, you'll be able to then log in to the ARKIVNET website. There we go, fat fingers. Okay, so once we're in, the first thing we're going to do is click on the plus sign. This is going to generate a token that we can use to bridge our server to the peer-to-peer service. So we copy this token, we go into our ARKIV server, we go to the configuration and options tab, and we select ARKIVNET. And make sure you select, if you have multiple servers, the server that you want to actually bridge, which would be the name of the server here, my laptop server for this example. So we simply paste the token into token and we hit connect domain. This will take a few seconds. As I mentioned, what this will do is bridge your server without the use or the need for any sort of port forwarding to the ARKIVNET cloud, which allows you remote access through any browser and access through the app as well. So here you'll see it says ARKIVNET connected. So our site is now connected to the ARKIVNET website. Now, if we go to the browser and we look at our ARKIVNET, we'll see that the server has appeared. You can click on the server and it will take you to the cameras on the site. So we can double click on a camera, hit search, we can extract video, we can do smart searches, and as I mentioned, we will do another video on the benefits and using ARKIVNET. But for now, the last thing to show you is how to add other users through ARKIVNET. So what you would do is first direct the users to go to the ARKIVNET website. So for all new users, have them go to ARKIVNET and sign up for an account just like we did towards the beginning of the video. Once they're on the system, the administrator can come into the server and click on the three dots of the server in question, click on user groups, add policy, and then here you could put the email address and assign the role. There are two default roles that are in the ARKIV cloud, or if you've already created local roles within the ARKIV server, those will be available. And those users, once they are assigned, will get that email. They can log into the site and have the necessary access to the system. And again, this will work both from any browser and from the app. Okay, so there you have it. If you found this video useful, hit like and subscribe. Please feel free to leave your questions and comments below and let us know if there are any specific videos we can make. Also, please visit our website at Inaxsys.com. We're happy to provide you with all of your security solutions. See you next time.